my name is Larry Newman. I'm a truck accident attorney. I'm located in Ithaca, New York. And today I'd like to give you the 7 reasons why a truck accident is unique and way different than a car accident. The first difference between a car and a truck is a car accident case usually only involves one defendant, one person to blame. A truck accident case can involve the driver, can involve the owner, can involve a renter, can involve the leaser of equipment, can involve the equipment itself, the manufacturers of the equipment, the shipper, the broker, the loaders. We have way different sources of liability and problems because the cause of a truck accident may not just be the driver. It may also be the equipment, the truck that he's driving. It may be a problem with the manufacturer of that equipment. There might have been defects, or there might have been a problem with the load itself. There's also things like negligent hire, negligent retention, and negligent supervision of employees, which is on a whole other level of liability, but that's the first big difference. Number 2, car accidents usually only involve 2 cars. Truck accidents, multiple vehicles may be involved and usually are involved. Number 3, insurance. Cars have low levels of insurance, $25,000 to $50,000 if there's just injuries, $50,000 to $100,000 if there's death. On the truck side, we have $750,000 to millions and millions of dollars worth of coverage depending upon how many defendants that we have that are involved with this case. Car accident cases usually only involve driver error. There's only the driver that's at fault. The driver made a mistake and caused an accident, usually a rear-end collision or a side collision. So those are those 2 things in terms of a car. In terms of a truck, we can have driver error, but we can also have error with the shipper. We can have error with the broker. We can have error with the mechanical equipment, with the brakes, with the tires. We can have problems with them hiring somebody knowing that they had problems, knowing that they're an alcoholic, knowing that they have problems with drugs. So we have all these other reasons why we may have had the truck accident versus just driver error. Number 5 is, with a truck, we have a professional driver. With a car, we have an amateur driver. Professional drivers have to have a CDL, a commercial driver's license. They have a specific endorsements for the types of loads that they have to move. Truck drivers have to be qualified regularly. They need to be trained on the specific equipment that they're running. Truck drivers need to inspect. Truck drivers need to make sure that their vehicles are repaired and maintained properly. Whole different standard for professional drivers that drive hundreds of thousands of miles versus an amateur driver. Truck driving cases can be brought in federal court as well as state court because truck driving claims may involve companies that come from another state. Car accident cases generally just stay in state courts. Federal court, whole different set of guidelines, whole different set of rules. And lastly, the big difference between a truck accident and a car accident: truck accidents can be way more complicated, may involve the use and the need for experts in accident reconstruction, experts in engineering to look at the mechanicals, to look at the brakes, look at the tires, look at the truck suspension, because these might be potential sources of liability with a truck accident case. Car accident case, usually it's simple. We don't have those complexities. If you have any questions about your truck accident case in New York State, you can give me a call at 607-229-5184 or go to my main website and blog. It's loaded with great useful information. Thank you.